I'm Raymond with Three Dudes Quilting, and we're very proud to have our good friend Nedra Sorensen with us here today to demonstrate triangles on a roll, the easy, precise way to make half-square triangles. Nedra, it's all yours.
Thanks, Ray. Thanks for having me here. Half-square triangles are the product that we're most known for. When you think of triangles on a roll, you think half-square triangles. We do have a lot of other products that are available, other shapes that you can make, but for this tutorial, I'm going to show you about how to make half-square triangles. Our half-square triangles come in 11 different sizes. You can make them from a 1-inch half-square triangle clear up to a 6-inch half-square triangle, and this is an example of our 6-inch here. To get started, our rolls all come on 50 feet rolls. They have a plastic around them. I like, when I first get my product, I like to take this plastic off with the label and I stick it inside the tube. That way, if I want to remember the instructions or anything about that triangle, all the instructions are inside the tube. And then, like I say, it comes on a 50-foot roll. When I cut off the amount that I want, the next thing I like to do after I'm done cutting my paper is then I'll take these little inexpensive hair bands that you can get like at a dollar store, and I'll just wrap it around and put it in my drawer, and then I'm ready to use them next time. So you get a lot of half-square triangles off of each roll. For example, today I'm going to show you the 3-inch half-square triangles. On the 3-inch roll you can get 600 half-square triangles. So you have a lot to use in future projects. On the 2-inch one you get 800. So each roll gives you a different amount of half-square triangles depending on the size. When you first unroll your roll, the instructions are on the paper, which is nice. You have the instructions here. They're also on the outside label. And then you have tutorials like this that will give you more prompts. So if you don't remember everything I say, it's okay. You have a lot of references to use. So step 1, if you're getting ready to work with triangles on a roll, is you need to determine how many half-square triangles you would like to make. And so you count out. This is a half-square triangle right here. You can kind of see it there. And you'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That will give you 8 half-square triangles. And then you cut your paper there. The width of the paper, each paper will tell you the size to cut the width of your fabric. The length is determined by how many half-square triangles you want to use. So to start out, I will cut my fabric. I'll put 2 pieces of fabric right sides together. I usually like to put the dark on the bottom and the light on the top. And then you pin your paper on top. And then you'll take your machine, you'll lower your stitch to about a 1.5. Normally when you turn your machine on, it's about a 2. You'll want to just take it down so those stitches are closer together. And that will help perforate this paper. When it's ready to tear off, it'll tear off easier, and also it secures that seam, so when you're getting ready to tear your paper off, it holds it tighter so your seams don't pop out. And then you simply follow the arrows and you stitch on the dotted line like we have here, and then you'll take your rotary cutter and ruler and you'll cut all the way around the edge and on every black line. When you do that, when you're done, you'll have 8 half-square triangles that look like that. When you open them up, you can just press to the dark, trim off those little bunny ears, and you have a perfect half-square triangle that's ready to go into your projects. So that's basically how to make a half-square triangle.
Thank you, Nedra. I appreciate it. This is going to be really fun for our customers and your customers. And half-square triangle papers are available at Three Dudes Quilting, Phoenix, Arizona. Here you go.
Thanks.